Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am visiting Qutub Minar. It is located in India, in New Delhi. Uh, this is a fantastic place in India. Lots of people every day visit this place and from different countries and different people. Uh, Qutub Minar is made by Qutubuddin Aibak in 1193. Approximately 900 years ago, it is made by Qutubuddin Aibak. This is amazing, just amazing, and this day is a fantastic day for me, and I can realize that how to make this Qutub Minar. It is depend on win by the Qutub Minar, and I can understand, and Islamic history is a fantastic story, and in Islamic people and made these different kinds of buildings, minar, etc. Amazing, just amazing place in India. Wow.